Well, hi, howdy, and hello. Back to the construction site we go. But I don't have a clue if you can hear me. But I can't hear you. We are back at the Jordan Park construction site to see the update, to see the progress, to see what's going on. They're moving right along. Now I will say, and I gotta ask, I'm one of those people, I always gotta ask, are they really not gonna fix these sidewalks? Come on, tell me they're gonna, right? Because really, if you're talking about this, you're talking about this being for senior citizens, it's the trees. The trees have jacked up the sidewalks to the point where I really don't ride the sidewalks in this neighborhood because it's way bumpier and scarier than riding on the road. But you think they would fix this before putting in new construction? It's not safe. It's just not. And that's me in my position as the safety inspector of the sidewalks of St. Pete. Thank you very much. The bill will be in the mail. I hate it that they don't care when there's construction even more than regular. Like, thank you for the gate being open. It's okay, I'll close it. I wonder if it'll be open later. Ooh, big, yeah, I'm telling you, it's a hard road to ride. Hard road to ride. Alright, so here we are at the corner of 10th Avenue South and Jordan Park Street. Folks are still living over there. Must not be easy living right across from the construction zone, but they're doing it. And that has been your Jordan Park construction update for today. Oh, by the way, I'm working on the community garden in the area. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it over here. You should check that out. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? You know you want to see more updates about this amazing construction we got going on. As always, thanks for watching. I love you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now. Subscribe.